Foldable phones are no longer just cutting-edge tech. They're shaping the future of smartphones. 2025 has brought us some of the most innovative foldables yet, blending sleek designs, powerful performance, and next-level features. Whether you're looking for style, functionality, or just something that'll turn heads, we got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best foldable phones of 2025. So, buckle up, because the future is here, and it folds. Let's dive in. 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a game-changer in the world of foldable smartphones, showcasing the pinnacle of innovation and functionality. This device combines cutting-edge technology with sleek aesthetics, making it a standout in the premium smartphone market. Featuring a refined folding mechanism, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is built for durability and effortless transitions between its compact and expansive modes. The device boasts a stunning 7.6-inch main display with a high refresh rate, offering vibrant colors and exceptional clarity for an immersive viewing experience. The external cover display is equally impressive, ensuring seamless usability when the phone is folded. Powered by a next-generation processor and ample RAM, the Z Fold 7 delivers exceptional performance, handling multitasking, gaming, and productivity tasks with ease. Its software is optimized for multitasking, with features like split-screen functionality and enhanced app continuity, making it perfect for professionals and power users. The camera system is another highlight, with advanced sensors and AI-enhanced features for capturing stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. Additionally, the device supports 5G connectivity, ensuring blazing fast internet speeds for streaming, browsing, and communication. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is also equipped with a robust battery, supporting fast charging and wireless charging to keep you powered throughout the day. Samsung has paid special attention to durability, with the use of reinforced materials and water resistance, ensuring the device can handle the rigors of daily use. Its design is elegant and ergonomic, available in various premium finishes that cater to diverse style preferences. 4. Google Pixel Fold 2. The Google Pixel Fold 2 represents the next evolution in Google's foldable smartphone lineup, combining advanced technology with thoughtful design to deliver an exceptional user experience. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Pixel Fold 2 introduces a more refined hinge mechanism, ensuring smoother and more durable folding operations. The device features a stunning 7.7-inch inner OLED display with a higher refresh rate and improved brightness, providing vibrant visuals and ultra-responsive touch performance, perfect for multitasking, gaming, or streaming. The outer cover display is equally enhanced, offering a seamless experience when the device is folded, allowing users to accomplish tasks without needing to unfold the phone. Under the hood, the Pixel Fold 2 is powered by Google's latest Tensor G3 chipset, ensuring top-notch performance, AI-driven optimizations, and power efficiency. This processor is paired with ample RAM and storage options to cater to various user needs. The foldable runs on Android 14, customized to leverage its foldable form factor, with features like adaptive split screen, drag and drop functionality, and app optimization for dual-screen workflows. The camera system remains a hallmark of Google devices, with a triple-lens setup that includes advanced computational photography capabilities, ensuring exceptional photo and video quality across all lighting conditions. Exclusive features like Magic Eraser, Night Sight, and Real Tone further enhance the photography experience. Battery life sees a significant improvement with optimized power management, and the Fold 2 supports fast wired and wireless charging. 5G connectivity ensures lightning-fast internet speeds, while improved water and dust resistance enhance durability. The design is sleek and premium, with slimmer bezels, a thinner profile, and eco-friendly materials reflecting Google's commitment to sustainability. Additionally, the device offers a robust security suite, including Face Unlock, an under-display fingerprint scanner, and Google's Titan M2 chip for enhanced data protection. 3. Motorola Razr Ultra 2025. The Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 continues the brand's legacy of innovation, combining nostalgic charm with cutting-edge technology. This foldable device reimagines the classic Razr flip phone with modern advancements, making it one of the most stylish and functional foldables on the market. Its sleek, ultra-thin profile and premium materials exude sophistication, while the durable hinge mechanism ensures smooth and reliable folding, capable of enduring daily use. The Razer Ultra 2025 features a stunning 6.9-inch LED main display with a 165 Hz refresh rate, offering an ultra-smooth and vibrant visual experience. The external 3.5-inch AN-LED cover screen is designed for maximum utility, allowing users to check notifications, control music, reply to messages, and even run full apps without unfolding the device. Motorola has prioritized durability with Gorilla Glass Victus and a water-resistant coating, ensuring the phone is built to last. Under the hood, the Razer Ultra 2025 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, delivering exceptional performance, energy efficiency, and AI-driven enhancements. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, the device handles multitasking, gaming, and media consumption with ease. Motorola's MyUX software, based on Android 15, offers a near-stock Android experience with thoughtful enhancements tailored for the foldable format, such as app continuity and multi-window functionality. 2. Vivo X Fold 3. The Vivo X Fold 3 elevates the foldable smartphone experience with its innovative design, powerful performance, and industry-leading features. As Vivo's flagship foldable for 2025, the X Fold 3 offers a seamless blend of style, functionality, and advanced technology, catering to users who demand versatility and sophistication from their devices. At the heart of the Vivo X Fold 3 is its stunning 8.03-inch AN-LED inner display, boasting a 2K resolution, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and ultra-thin glass (UTG) for enhanced durability and touch responsiveness. The external 6.5-inch AN-LED cover display is equally impressive, supporting high refresh rates and delivering vivid colors and sharp details. Together, these displays offer a fluid transition between compact and unfolded modes, optimized for productivity and entertainment. The X Fold 3 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring blazing fast performance for multitasking, gaming, and professional applications. 1. Honor Magic Vise 3. The Honor Magic Vise 3 redefines foldable smartphone innovation, delivering a perfect combination of style, power, and versatility. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Magic Vise 3 introduces significant improvements in design, performance, and functionality, making it one of the most advanced foldable devices on the market. The Magic Vise 3 features a cutting-edge 7.92-inch OLED inner display with a 2K resolution, 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and HDR10+ support, offering vibrant colors and an immersive viewing experience. The 6.45-inch external AMOLED cover screen mirrors the inner display's fluidity and sharpness, allowing users to perform everyday tasks with ease when the device is folded. The near-zero crease design, achieved through an advanced hinge mechanism, ensures durability and a seamless aesthetic. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, the Magic Vise 3 is a performance beast. It handles multitasking, gaming, and productivity with ease, while its Magic OS 8.0, based on Android 15. There you have it, the 5 best foldable phones of 2025. Which foldable is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.